Good day, eh? And welcome to the Great White Green Midwest. KPH Canada here. This is the show where we present you with the premier firearms of Canada. Today I'm going to be showing you the Canuck 200, codenamed Silent Thunder. It looks just like a regular potato gun, but once you paint it black special ops style like this, you can be running through the bush with this for days and not have a bit of trouble. It's really not an accurate weapon at all. It's really broadside of the barn kind of stuff. You got to wait till you see the whites of their eyes, and then you can pretty much let them have it with anything you can load into the barrel, eh? So at least it's good and cold here, eh? Even though there's no snow, you just, it doesn't feel right being out here when it's above 32.
Man, it's 95 degrees out. What are you doing?
Take off, eh? Get out of my movie. Ruining everything. You at least got to dress the part if you're going to be in the movie, eh? Okay, so in this configuration, this is really just the Canuck 200, but they do come with optional beer holders, eh? So with these beauties installed, it's now, hey, oh, that sucks. These beauties installed, it's a 4B. So it also comes with a holder for your donuts. In this configuration, it's 4D, 4 donuts, eh? You can use some jelly donuts, and then you get the 4BJ, and anytime you can put B and J together like that, it's beauty.
Hey dude, I got my stocking cap on now. Can I be in the movie?
You have your what?
Stocking cap on, man.
Stocking cap. Beauty, a long way to say toque, eh? So now we got to get this thing ready to shoot, eh? So can you go get me a potato?
All right.
So then you go get me a potato.
I thought we were going to take...
No. So now we just got to get this thing ready to fire. Can you go get me a potato, eh?
Hey, sure, dude.
Ah, beauty. Dismount jellies. Present potato. Okay, so use your regular average potato, or it will actually shoot watermelon rinds, although we don't get too many watermelons in Canada, eh? Cantaloupes, anything that's thick-skinned and slippery. Just gotta center that sucker right there.
I dated that girl.
You get a nice little hunk of potato there. And ramrod, no homo. So you need to ram this potato in there as far as you can with the official KPH red special ramrod. Then present propellant. Little extra for good measure. So we're ready to go.
Fire in the hole.
Wait a minute, what am I shooting at?
How about that shitter over there?
There's a shitter over there?
Yes.
Okay, I'm gonna shoot this one bazooka style. Shit. Jeez. Holy shit. Dad's gonna be pissed.